I think the universe is on my side.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a do-it-yourself project. This is inspired by Alexander McQueen or McQueen, however you want to say his name. The things you're going to be needing is a blank white clutch, some scissors, E6000 glue, some trim feathers, and some jewels or embellishments of your choice. All of the supplies I got from Joann Fabrics. I absolutely love that store. I get all of my crafting supplies there and Hobby Lobby, but all of this I found at Joann's, and I used a small coupon to get some discounts. I didn't know which embellishment I want, so I have a couple of here that I think that are just so pretty. I have a pin. I actually have some embellishments that you would put on some jewelry that look like little bugs, pearls, flowers. I have a lot because I was unsure on how I wanted to decorate the top. So the reason why I got feather trim is because it's cheaper. This little yard bundle was only $5. The actual fur, or I should say feathers, the feathers that Alexander uses on his purses is actual ostrich feathers. And I got inspired to do this purse from my sister, and she used real ostrich feathers too, but the per yard of ostrich feathers was about $25 per yard. So I would have to spend about $50. It would have been like 2 yards for one purse. So I just thought, oh, I'll just use chicken feathers instead, go the cheaper route. But so what I am doing is just measuring up the trim to my purse, and then I started to glue that little folded piece at the end. And then I put some glue on the purse, just a little bit at a time. And I held the trim there for a little bit, making it very secure. This glue kind of dries pretty slow. It's not like hot glue. And it will stay there for a really, really long time. I am rough with my purses, so I tend to use E6000. When my sister did this project, she used just regular hot glue because she's very delicate and very nice to her purses. But since I do run around a lot, I'm very hard on my purse and my shoes, so I tend to use the more hardware glue. If you are hard on your accessories, I recommend this glue. It's been lasting me, oh my gosh, all the time. Like even when I did my shoes, the diamonds are still on my shoes and I've been wearing them nonstop. So that is what I am doing. As you can see, I am just going above maybe a ½ an inch and gluing down some more trim across the purse and then cutting it at the edge. And if your trim is a bit longer than the side of the purse, just kind of tuck it into the side. And that's what I did. And if you wanted to, you can do the fur on both. I keep saying fur, I'm so sorry. The feathers on both sides of the purse. But Alexander has his feathers on only one side, and that's what we are trying to copy. I am not going to pay $2,000-3,000 for a purse. I don't have that kind of money. But I do have ideas to do it. So the purse I actually got from a thrift store for $4, and then for the little feathers, they were $5 each per little trim thing. And if you use a coupon, a 50% coupon, that's what I did. They end up being $2.50 each. So this purse actually only cost me, I want to say, under $20 because the embellishment itself was another $6, but I did use a coupon. So you can actually do this project pretty cheap. And because I do use a lot of coupons, I did have a lot of different embellishments. I have this really pretty flower embellishment right here that you would attach to a bracelet or a necklace. I have this one. It kind of reminds me of like the Harry Potter Ravenclaw tiara. I really liked it. So I thought, oh, that kind of looks cute. I didn't really know which one I wanted to go with. I was just trying to put little stuff here and there. I did not glue anything down. I wanted to make sure and look at what kind of embellishment, beads, and stuff that I wanted before gluing anything down. I did decide to go with this one. I used this one a lot in my projects. I used it in my mermaid crown, my mermaid mirror. But yeah, I really liked it together with the white on white and the big jewel in the middle. And then there was this one that I liked too, and it had like a little beetle in the middle. But I decided to go with the pearls and the jewel. So I kind of wanted to see where I wanted it, in the side, in the middle. Most likely everybody's going to put it in the middle, so I did too, so it looks nice. And it looks like I actually got it from a designer. So I put the E6000 on the little embellishment in the back, and then I pressed really hard against my purse and actually where I wanted it. And I would hold it there for a good, I want to say 2 to 5 minutes, because again, this glue does not dry really fast. It's not hot glue, but when it does finally dry, it will stay there forever. So I would hold that down for a really long time, because when I kind of stopped holding it, it was like slipping and sliding. So I was like trying to hurry up and just press it down. And then you're gonna let this dry for a couple of hours. I let mine dry overnight, and it looks so pretty. It's ready to be used. The feathers and the trim is intact. So is the jewel. I absolutely love this purse. I wore it Sunday at church and I got so many compliments, and yeah, I am so happy that I made this so I don't have to keep borrowing my sister's. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below.
I've been running through the jungle.